Hi guys, we are at the jungle right now. So I'm going to read the Ask Jamil Kucing because Shafi and Shafi and Harith forgot to bring the stand, so they need to hold the camera. Yeah, you stay safe, okay? Okay, our first question from Rachana Shah. Question: if you leave JK and Shaki for long period, what is their reaction when you come home? For me, I think they don't have too many reaction. Just a normal reaction. Maybe happy. Look at me, came back. Okay. Alright. Second question from Devita Kamarudin. Question: Hi Jamil. Question please. It is so precious to see how gentle JK with little kid. How did that happen? Because we can tell that JK does not really like kitten, puppies. But what about baby macaque? Thank you, Jamil. Okay. JK, he is really look like a very gentleman person. He love kid very much, but never harm the kid. But he will angry if people harm the kid or touch the kid in front of him. A baby macaque last time, baby macaque, I don't have a baby pigtail macaque yet, but I have long tail macaque before. JK okay, only that he not like Shaki to hug, to hold, yeah. Alright, this is from Malaysia, Saleha Yusof. Okay, macam mana cara melayan cyberbully haters, orang yang tak suka anda? Okay, the question here, how I facing haters, cyberbully and people who don't like me. Okay, for me it's very easy. You don't need to entertain them. If you don't like them, you just block them or hide them from your channel. From like me, I hide them from my channel. I'm not going to reply their comment. I just don't want to waste my time to entertain, okay? Because for so long I'm facing this kind of thing. You no need to entertain a cyberbully or haters. You just block them. You just hide them from your channel. Easy and simple. You don't waste your time. You don't make your blood pressure go out. So just block and delete. That's it. Okay? Okay, question. Sir Jamil, personal question. Where do you learn how to cook? Okay. Since I was born until I'm 70 years old, I stay alone with my grandmother, you know. So when my grandmother cook, I always see and I learn. And then my first job, I working as a personal assistant in the former Prime Minister home, Malaysian former ex Prime Minister home. So when I got nothing to do, I just stay in the kitchen with the cook. I see how they cook. And then I work in the palace. Also when I got nothing to do, I just stay in the kitchen, chit chat with them. I see how they cook. Yeah. So from there, I'm learning how to cook, how to put things, how to separate things. So I'm learning from that. Okay. Okay, next question from Ramona Lowry. I'm curious. Question: why does Shaki wake up in the middle of the night for hug? She can't sleep or just love getting hug from you? Ramona, I don't have answer for that. Only that every 2:30 at night, she need a hug from me. She want to hug me. And 4 o'clock in the morning, she will wake up to hug me. And she will, like you see in the video, she will touch me to say that she want to be hugged, you know. Okay, question from Nashman Label. Question: what was a purple cake? Okay, the purple cake is just a lavender cake. You know, it's very good, very nice. It's just normal cake, only the taste like lavender. Yeah. Okay. Question from Tracy Michelle. Question: Jamil, how old was JK when he started kicking thing? Also, has Shaki ever tried to attack JK? Does she ever get mad at him if she get kicked? I think JK start kicking thing 15 years. When he is 15 years, I mean 1 year before he getting alpha, yeah? Yes, Shaki got angry to JK also sometime, but not by attack, by shouting. Okay, like couple angry to each other, you know, they just shouting, angry, just touch like that, you know, okay? Okay, question from Im7ted. Question: where did JK first learn how to drive the toy car? JK didn't learn how to drive the toy car. I always using a remote. But I think from that he learning because macaque monkey, they learn, they see, they learn how you do. Okay. Alright, a question from Margaret Graham. Question, hi Mr. Jamil. The body of a water you and your family are next to is the man-made. If not, what is it's called? I love the scenery. I love how you expose JK and Shaki back to nature. Shafi is comedian. I love all of you. Okay. This is the X-Mine, X-Mine. So they make, mostly the place here, last time they got a lot of mine. So the place they changing to be a garden. So people can jogging there, people can rest, people can relax. So mostly the lake are from a mine lake, yeah? Okay, push. Okay. Okay, next question from Jaylen. Question. Your sister is your neighbor? No, sister Yoha is look like sister to me, but not my real sister. She's a Chinese person. I'm a Malay, but we can stay together. We can be a neighbor in a good way, Okay? So I treat her like my sister because she's older than me, okay? Next question from Adonis Osman. Question. Hello, Sir Jamil. What happened to Bushido? Is it alright? My prayer for Bushido. Does JK and Shaki eat chilies? Okay. Bushido, because one of the Bushido eyes is already blind. So, getting it's getting worse, so the eyes starting want to come out. So the doctor give me advice, either I take out or just leave it there. So my advice, for the good of Bushido, we take out the eyes, just let the normal eyes still there, but the blind one we take out, okay? Okay, next question from Marianne Moore. Question, Jamil, I watched all of your old video. If JK and Shaki from 12 years ago, in some, if the video you have a third female pigtail monkey you call baby, what happened or what did she belong to? Where are you only caring for her and the time just curious about her, and thank you, I love you, your channel. Okay, baby monkey, baby is I call his name is Baby Key, yeah. So I take care Baby Key around 2 years. And then Baby Key is very clever, okay, very clever. And then she know how to open the cage, even though how I tied the cage, The old cage, not like the new cage. The old cage, if they digging, they still can open, So one day I got said that I got make a curse. If you open again, I will release you in the jungle. And then suddenly after 2 weeks, he do that, okay? So I got no choice. I already make a curse. So I just release her in the jungle with so many monkey, But this Baby Key can be released because she's still a kid, still small. But yeah, like a young adult, So the other monkey will not going to attack him, okay? I think if you search the video, you will find how I release him in the jungle, after I training around 1 month. Alright, next question from Bon Chauvin. Question, does JK enjoy long trip? I see he make those sweet little hawking sound. Show how he happy, right? I know you love to take him with you. Is it too cute? Are you checking on your new house? So exciting, right? Okay. JK love to go long distance, but only when we came back, he little bit tired. He always tired, So I think next time if I go again, I might bring my car so he can sleep inside the car. Alright? Okay, question from Isabel Schulz. Hi Isabel. Question, what is a fishball? Question 2, how do you learn how to cook? Okay, I already explained about how I learn how to cook. Fishball, I don't know in your country you have a fishball, It's making from the fish. And then they make like a ball and then they're selling, they're packing, You try to Google search a fishball. So you know what is a fishball, right? Okay, second question. Has Sister Yoha been your neighbors for a long time? Black ketchup is soy sauce, I read. Oh yes, black ketchup is soy sauce, yeah? Okay, Sister Yoha be my neighbors since I moved there last 3 to 4 years, yeah? Okay, last question from Lori Launius. Question, did you say fishball? Sorry, I don't know what is this. Fishball, don't... Okay, last question from Lori Launius. Question, did you say fishball? Sorry, but I don't know what is this. Fishball don't have a festival. Do they? From Arkansas, USA. Okay, fishball, I already... Okay guys, that is for us question 49 for today. So I hope if you have a question, you can write in the comment area starting by question. Yeah, so I know there is a question. I'm going to reply again on Ask Jamil Kuching 50. Yeah guys. So please, as usual, like what I said, take good care of yourself. Please stay safe. Always wearing mask when you go to public. If you have any other question, anything, you can ask me, yeah, about my country, about food, about drink, about whatever. Mostly about Jackie and Shaki. Alright guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.